Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Pancake air compressors available on the market, ranked for their true quality and performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a contractor, or just someone who appreciates reliable tools, this list has something for everyone. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ironton oil-free Pancake air compressor. This compact unit offers a 3-gallon tank and a maximum pressure of 110 psi, making it an excellent choice for smaller, lightweight tasks like nailing and inflating tires. Its boil-free pump design ensures minimal maintenance, while the fold-down handle and built-in cord wrap make it highly portable and easy to store. If you're looking for stability, the wide base design prevents tipping, which is a nice touch for beginner users. In terms of build quality, the Ironton compressor feels solid despite its smaller size. At just 20.6 pounds, it's the lightest compressor on our list, making it incredibly easy to carry around. While it might not have the power or capacity of larger units, its simple operation and accessible regulator knob make it user-friendly, especially for quick jobs around the house or garage. The biggest limitation here is its lower maximum pressure and smaller tank size, which restricts its use for more demanding tools like spray guns or brad nailers. However, for entry-level users who need an affordable and portable compressor for light-duty tasks, the Ironton is a great pick. Pros include its lightweight design and minimal maintenance, while cons include the limited power and capacity. Overall, this is a solid choice for casual use. At number 4, we have the EcoMax Pancake air compressor. This unit brings versatility to the table with its 150 psi maximum pressure and a 6-gallon tank, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from inflating tires to powering staplers and brad nailers. What really sets this compressor apart is the included 10-piece accessory kit, which features a tire pressure gauge, air hose, and blowgun, among other useful tools. This bundle adds value for those who are looking for an all-in-one solution. The design is practical and portable, featuring a flip-up handle for easy transportation. At 33.7 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors but still manageable. It also includes dual quick couplers, allowing simultaneous use of 2 tools, and an oil-free pump for low-maintenance operation. The dual gauges are a thoughtful touch, providing precise pressure measurement during use. While the EcoMax offers solid performance, it falls slightly short in terms of noise level and overall refinement compared to higher-end models. At 75 dB, it's quieter than some on this list, but not the quietest. Pros include its accessory kit and versatility, while cons include a slightly heavier build and fewer premium features. For those seeking value and versatility, this is a great mid-range option. Coming in at number 3 is the WEN air compressor, a budget-friendly option that punches above its weight in terms of performance. For just $128.53, you get a 6-gallon tank with a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it ideal for tasks like airbrushing, inflating, and light-duty nailing. The oil-free pump ensures longevity, while dual 1/4-inch NPT quick couplers allow for simultaneous use of 2 pneumatic tools, making it surprisingly versatile for its price range. The build quality is sturdy, with its reinforced steel tank offering durability that you don't often see in budget models. At 37.9 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but the onboard handle makes transportation manageable. The drain valve is conveniently located for quick and thorough tank draining, which adds to the ease of use. The main drawback here is the noise level, which can be louder than premium models, and the lack of included accessories. However, for budget-conscious users who need a reliable, no-frills compressor, the WEN is hard to beat. Pros include affordability and solid build quality, while cons include higher noise levels and fewer accessories. This is your go-to if you're looking for great value without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the DEWALT Pancake air compressor, a product that offers incredible performance and reliability for $149. With a 165 psi maximum pressure and 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 psi, This compressor is designed to handle demanding tasks like drilling, spraying, and nailing with ease. The high-efficiency motor ensures smooth startups even in cold weather or when using longer extension cords, making it versatile for various job sites. The design of the DEWALT compressor is both rugged and practical. At 32.1 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy portability, and the ball drain valve allows for quick tank drainage. The high-flow regulator and universal couplers maximize air tool performance, making this unit a favorite among professionals. Additionally, the 78.5 dBA noise level is quieter than many competitors, contributing to a more comfortable work environment. The only real downside is the lack of included accessories, which might be a deal-breaker for some. However, the combination of power, durability, and user-friendly features makes this compressor a standout choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. Pros include excellent performance and quiet operation, while cons include the lack of accessories. If you're looking for high performance at a reasonable price, the DEWALT DWFP 55126 is a fantastic option. And finally, at number 1, we have the BOSTITCH Air Compressor Kit. This premium offering stands out with its complete kit that includes a 50-foot air hose and a 10-piece inflation and blowgun accessory set, making it a turnkey solution for professionals and hobbyists alike. With a 6-gallon tank and 150 psi maximum pressure, it delivers consistent performance across a wide range of applications, including nailing, airbrushing, and inflating tires. The design is both lightweight and durable, weighing just 29 pounds despite its robust build. The oil-free pump eliminates maintenance hassles, while the high-flow regulator and dual couplers maximize air tool efficiency. At 80 dBA, it's slightly louder than some competitors, but still quiet enough to be comfortable in most work environments. The narrow tank diameter and ergonomic handle make transportation and storage a breeze. The only downside is the higher price tag, but for $179, you're getting a complete kit and top-notch reliability. Pros include its accessory kit, lightweight design, and solid performance, while cons include the slightly higher noise level. If you're looking for the best-in-class, the BOSTITCH BTFP 0212 WPK is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right Pancake air compressor for your needs. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which compressor you're leaning toward, or if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. See you in the next video.